The young protagonist stumbles upon an ancient tree with glowing markings. What do the markings reveal, and how do they impact the journey? A mischievous sprite appears, offering cryptic advice. What does the sprite want in return? The characters find themselves deep within a labyrinthine cave system. Describe the eerie glow of phosphorescent fungi on the walls. They discover an underground river. What mysterious creatures inhabit its depths? The group reaches a treacherous cliff, overlooking a churning sea. How do they cross to the other side? A mysterious figure appears, claiming to know a secret path. Can they be trusted? The travelers encounter a fog-shrouded valley. Strange voices echo through the mist. What do they say? A hidden village emerges, a place forgotten by time. What customs and traditions do its inhabitants follow? The moon rises, casting an otherworldly glow on a meadow. What magical creatures emerge? The group rests by a campfire. Share a heartwarming conversation between two unlikely companions.